and he will speak in few minutes by the time we settle down. He started his journey from working with different machine tool companies. He is now India's top trainer. He gets most views in LinkedIn, and he is a well-wisher for Meshmix Media Dynamic Manufacturing India. As there is a famous punchline, Hutch, for our old telecom company called Hutch, wherever you go, our network follows. He is with us for Makers of Bharat. He was there with us in Belgavi. He is in Hosur. He has promised us that he will be in Pune and Ludhiana. Ladies and gentlemen, and I hope he will put all these videos in his channel so that we can get maximum exposure. He should post a lot of content. He writes books, he writes a lot of content, he teaches, since it's a quality and skilling, he is teaching, he's going all parts of the country, teaching them on manufacturing, CNC. Can we have Mr. S. Jagannath from Tata Institute of Skills, one of the best trainer in the country.
Thank you, thanks a lot. Lot of responsibility now. So, vanakkam to all. All are makers of Bharat. Makers of Bharat should look like a Indian army man. Army man should not say vanakkam. Vanakkam! No, not happy. Only I am happy with Seenivasan. That's it. And I am a passionate trainer. Without your response, I will not move ahead. Vanakkam? Good. Everybody is with me? Yes. So, as a standard protocol and standard formality, Honorable Dais, Chief Guest, and all the participants of Makers of Bharat event. And thanks a lot to Mr. Dinesh Mishra ji for giving us opportunity to networking, to share our knowledge, our experiences, everything in this Hosur edition. We had our same discussion, same topic on Belgavi edition as well. I was represented there. And second thing is that I'm happy with Hosur this time, because last time nobody asked the question after this panelist discussion. So this time 2 questions arise. So next time we will expect more than this. So yeah, this was a very fruitful discussion from panelist side. So I am going to talk about, everybody is talking about quality, everybody knows quality, everybody works with quality, everybody is a technocrat here. Am I right? Everybody is technocrat? Raise your hand. Who is not technocrat? Don't raise. Who is a technocrat? Raise your hand. Oh, you're not technocrat. You're not belongs to technical community. Who is a technocrat? I want a response. Without that, I will not move ahead. Everybody is technocrat. Everybody learned about quality in engineering, in diploma, either while working with the industry. Am I right? Yes. Everybody is, more than me, you people knows about this. Whatever my age is there, more than that experience people are having here. I am going to talk about quality in manpower. Is it good topic? Is it interesting topic? My friend, somebody asked about the quality in manpower. Can TVS or some company may start the training center to build the quality for their MSMEs? Am I right? So I'm going to talk about quality in manpower. How this look like? This is not a presentation, but how this look like? Every quality product, every quality, behind that, a skilled hands is there. Only machine will not work. Skilled hands is there. Okay? And currently, right now, every technocrat, every industry, from bigger industry, large scale industry to small scale industry, everybody is having only one pen. That pen you have to tell me. What is your pen right now? Mr. Arun, at morning he was telling about his pen. Sir, I'm having very big pen. Mr. Malesh was discussing with me on call. Sir, I'm having very big pen. What is the pen? I'm not doctor about discussing your pen. But what is the industry pen which you are facing right now? Manpower. Which manpower, sir? But skilled manpower. You want a person who is having skill. If he is having skill, you will sleep very peaceful. If your manpower who is working in shop floor, he is not having a good skill, you will not sleep. You will become a sleepless. And our sleep is depending upon our manpower. And we are here to develop the skilled manpower. India is a very, very fertile country in the form of population. We are very, very fertile people, right? People are saying that Indians are having overpopulation. But I would like to say that Indians are like, younger population is the highest rate in world. Isn't right? Isn't it? Isn't it? Right? True? So why we can't convert that younger population in this skilled manpower to grow the India towards the global economy? What is stopping us? Seenivasan sir, what is stopping us? Attitude is stopping us. And that only I wanted to discuss with everybody. So problem is that every industry is saying that, sir, I am having 50 manpower requirement, I am having 100 manpower requirement, TVS is having 1000 manpower requirement. But the point is that engineers are also that much amount of engineers we are producing every year. Lakhs of engineers we are producing, right? But industry is not recruiting them, and engineers are just roaming here and there, and they are just doing delivery business, they are working in the mall, they are doing Ola, Uber, cab service, etc., etc. Who is stopping them to come in the industry? Themselves is stopping because of they don't have the skill which industry is required right now. Whatever we learned in academics, in 2016 I completed my graduation, whatever we learned, nothing is, industry is far, far, far ahead than that. Am I right? Whatever CNC programming we learned, that programming are we able to use in machine? If we will use it, machine will imitate the dash. Isn't it, sir? We want the person who will make us peaceful sleep for every industrialist. And that only possible by the quality hand, and only that is possible by the person with his attitude. I wanted to work with the manufacturing industry. I wanted to contribute towards the manufacturing industry, and this is my personal opinion, and hope everybody will agree with me that if whoever is the country, whatever is the country, which country is the top and the leaders in the manufacturing, they will lead the globe. Am I right? IT industry will never lead the globe. Manufacturing leaders will lead the globe. Now we are just, somebody was telling that China 1 plus India was we are discussing about. But why we cannot become the only India? Only Atmanirbhar Bharat. The thing is stopping us only the attitude, because of engineers are telling that, sir, मेरे को job नहीं मिल रहा है, and industry is telling that, sir, उसके पास वो skill ही नहीं है, तो मैं कैसा लूँ उसको? तो कैसा करेंगे हम लोग? हमारे पास क्या option है इसके लिए? What option we are having right now? To develop a training center, just complete it under the CSR project. No? I wanted to tell you one example from my side. Like when I completed my graduation, I started to work. So every time I used to get the food poisoning and all because of the mess food and all. So I used to discuss with my mother every time, Mom, I want a good quality of food. Either you shift with me. Mom used to tell that get married. I used to say that why should I get married to get the good food? I should learn it, no? So I learned from my mom, and today I cook such a tasty food, even chef cannot cook it. We have to make this mindset. Industry requirement is there, engineers are there, there is a gap is there, and that gap should be bridged by everybody. Not a training center, not a skill development center, not a CSR project, not an industry. That will, every Indians are having this responsibility to develop this. Am I right? Everybody is with me? Am I boring you? No, I am not getting the response. Everybody become the very, very serious. Am I talking like anything sensible, ma'am? So we have to develop it. And if we will not develop, sir, if we will not develop, then it will be too late for us. We are having lot of orders. IAMPL is there in front of us. One of the largest aerospace manufacturing company of India. They are having collaboration with HAL and Rolls-Royce, leading in the manufacturing industries. We are having everything. We are having manpower, we are having technology, we are having scientists, we are having this CMTI. The scientist just was discussing with us. Everything is there with us. Only our attitude, recruiters' attitude, as well as those who are getting recruited, their attitude. Both attitudes are stopping for the skilling. And we are just blaming to each other, this is not working, this is not working, this is not working. So we have to collectively work on the skilling. And for that, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, just recently launched the program that is Indian Institute of Skills. And I belongs to that company, I represent that company, Indian Institute of Skills. Everybody knows about IIT and IIM, Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Management. Those are producing very good quality of engineers, very good quality of managers, but very good quality of technocrats, skilled manpower. There is nothing to work on this. Many Toyota-like companies are like already working on it, but not that level. So for that, IIS Mumbai and IIS Ahmedabad developed by the Prime Minister, and I'm representing to that company my one senior representative also there with us, Mr. Magesh. So anybody is having any question about the manpower quality, anybody is having requirement about the skill manpower, you have to give your requirement. Only we are coming for the recruitment, that will never work. You have to give a requirement ki for this IAMPL, we require this type of skill set from my manpower, those I am recruiting. Yes, we will develop them, we collectively develop them, isn't it? And then we will work towards the nation building. Everybody is with me? Am I boring you? No? Sir, 1 minute hai? Pakka? So, now I am completing my speech and I want you to everybody repeat with me. So, Jai Hind. Everybody is proudly saying Jai Hind, right? Jai Hind? Good. Jai Bharat? Good. Jai Jawan, Jai Vigyan, Jai Kisan was the old slogan by Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now this slogan you have to repeat with me. Okay? New slogan I'm gonna talk in each and every forum. That is, Jai Skilled India. If India will skill, then Jai Atmanirbhar Bharat. Jai Atmanirbhar Bharat. Jai Manufacturing Leader Bharat. And if manufacturing leader Bharat, then Jai Global Economy Bharat. And if global economy Bharat, then always Jai, 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 Jai Hind. Right? So, Jai Atmanirbhar Bharat, Jai Skilled Bharat, Jai Global Economy Bharat, Jai Manufacturing Leader Bharat, and finally is Jai Hind. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Any questions? I want a question. Without that, I will not sit because I am a trainer. Without question, I will not digest my food. Any questions from anybody? Yes, sir, please. You have to tell your name and your company name, so I will be more happy for that.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jayant. I am from the company called Phytons Bioengineering.
Yes, sir.
So, I'm again a mechanical engineer. So, when I graduated, it's been about, 12 years since I've graduated. But most of the time, even during my graduation, I don't know if the mindset of the student has changed now. But the most of the student mindset is that if I get into manufacturing, do I have a big growth in that, right? And do I just do, because back then we had ITI, which was very strong. But then now I do understand from the industry leaders here that the skilled manpower is the biggest challenge. So how much is your efforts going in talking to colleges and inspiring the next Gen Zs to get into skilled manpower?
Yeah, very good question. First of all, I would like to thankful to Mr. Jayant, right? Yeah. So I dedicated personally, Mr. Yash Jagannath, my life dedicated for attracting Gen Z towards the manufacturing. I don't want anything from the industry. I'm getting good salary from my company. I can survive on that. But my complete dedication is over there because I am also sufferer from this same trap. When I completed my graduation, I got opportunity to work with TCS, Cognizant. But my professor said that, Jagan, you are very good in manufacturing. Why you don't want to wait for the manufacturing industry to come for the campus selection? That time nothing manufacturing company came and I was jobless for 3 months. Every industry I used to go, they used to ask basic questions, basic programming style. I used to not give the answer. I used to give every answer on the basis of theoretical knowledge. But I was speechless. I was speechless in front of the interviewer. So that time it was lacking. Nothing is there who will teach me to be ready for the industry. That time only I decided that let me get the entry in any company. Let me get. Just I want to enter. I will learn and I will educate the people. For that, I started my YouTube channel in 2016. Now it became 85,000 subscribers. It's like a very huge achievement, we can say that, from with the help of all your recruiter. So that way, I'm working, and for that, my friend Mr. Magesh is there, Dinesh sir is there. We all are working towards the skilling. You just to show your interest. We are there to work with you. Am I right, sir? Yes. Any other question? A question or then we'll stop. He is angering on me. One question from madam side. Woman empowerment. Any madam? Madam, please. Any question? But is men dominated sector is this, but like you leaders are there. Yeah, no, but people are thinking that. People are thinking, but you became the leader from this, such a great Marposs company, right? Sure, sure, I will be there. Thank you, thanks a lot. One more question, sir. Yes, sir.
Because a lot of innovation is missing. We're talking about mugging the books and then taking the examination. If data skills cannot specifically go, and how to bring the innovative thinking from the children to the next level, it will definitely make a difference in terms of the skills, thinking of the skills from the beginning. That's a small thought.
Thank you, sir. Stop it.
Hello.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes, sir, please.
I am just extending madam's reply, like pushing women manpower into the mechanical industries. See, if you visit China and all, no, the lot of women manpower work on even trucks they drive. But here in India, that still that situation has not come. People started engaging in mechanical industries, but only in day shift. Again, they say in night shift we have to give a lot of security and all these things. And to provide that, again, cost comes into like administration cost comes into picture, but this drive has to be there. And when you are like you are the IAS, what you are talking, if that same thing comes into Hosur also, when you are doing, my suggestion is please look into the women manpower and drive, so that the skill level of that also will increase, and definitely we also get a lot of benefit from them. And one more point is, like, because when AI entered, there's a lot of software companies, a lot of people lost their jobs, and they're all coming out. And this is a good opportunity that they also look into the mechanical industries where the strength is there, life is there, and long term is there. So because AI definitely is going to change the complete this
Work
one.
life, yeah. Yes, sir. Surely we will work together for that. Thanks a lot for listening me. One more question. Wow. He will beat me now. next visit, he will not give me opportunity to speak.
So, very good afternoon. Myself, Professor Muralidhar from NSB Academy into placements for the last 25 years. So, as you were mentioning about the changes, so I've witnessed the change of employability from 8%. So, when the company used to come for hiring, now as per the latest statistics, it has crossed at 40%. So, which is a very good sign. And as Sir was mentioning, how to integrate. Very important is that industry integration should happen, which is basically lacking. So, where the companies can come forward, have some competitions, give the guest lectures, and take them throughout. Because one day, one guest lecture will definitely not help.
Sure.
So having a continuous thing, and because today some centers, some prestigious college have incubation centers, and they're all doing great. So at least the colleges nearby can get tied up with that, and as Sir from TVS, other companies can come forward, give them that internships, so they get the practical exposure. Yes, even there is growth in this industry. I think that will bring about a change, because we have graduates but not employable. So we need to make the industry ready engineers and other professionals. So this is what I personally feel.
Sure, sir.
Thank
Over
you,
to
sir.
you, all the senior members or decision makers. They are the good, answerable people for this. But definitely we will work together to skill India, and we will make India as a global economy through manufacturing. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.
Thanks, Jagannath. You had a good breakfast, I guess, because it's hard to, match your energy. Only one person I've seen, which can overtake you, that's Dr. Uday Narang, who I've seen always passionate. Now I would like to invite Dr. Devarajan to honor Mr. Jagannath. Dr. Devarajan. The days to follow. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move quickly to the technical presentation. The format which we have kept for Makers of Bharat is very crisp, so that in three hours we finish it, not a whole day conference. To begin our first technical presentation, I would like to invite Mr. Sandeep S., Marketing Manager, Commercial Business, ExxonMobil Lubricants Private Limited. Can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Sandeep?
Hi, just good afternoon. Just I was looking at it's already 12, so good afternoon everyone. Thanks for the traffic. I was a little late for the program, but I informed Dinesh that okay, we will come on time for my presentation. Hope I am audible there. Yes. So after a very good energetic last session on skilled manpower, it's time for a little bit looking into some of the technical stuff. But honestly, I'm not going to talk too much technical because the whole discussion today is on quality and a lot of technical stuff. I don't need to add more because the idea of partnering with this event, when Dinesh ji told that we are going to do this kind of a multi-city event across India, we wanted to participate because one thing, it's about knowledge sharing. A lot of people are, the experts from this industry, manufacturing industry, coming and sitting here talking about their problems and sharing a lot of knowledge. And partnering such an event is always good because it's an area where people want, information, all sorts of information, and this is the right kind of event which we can participate. So as a marketing manager, we have budget to put in different, avenues where we can show our brand. I can also do an ad, but we thought this is much better, event where it will be very useful for the people. So that's how we finally end up here. So we had done the same event in Belgavi as well, along with Dinesh ji, and we like to continue in 2 other events post this. So quickly getting into presentation. This is the agenda. Not much. It's very quick. I will be finishing in next 10 minutes, I guess. I'll be mostly talking about what is company which I am representing, about the company, the legacy of the company, some of the product services which we have, and last we have a quiz. So. There are some nice goodies which will come if you answer the quiz, whoever answer it first. So, be a little bit, you can give some attention. Let's start with a video.
Quality will win. Believe it.
With this statement, Hiram Bond Everest opened a sales meeting in Rochester, New York in 1879. Despite growing competition from cheaper, inferior products, Everest refused to compromise on quality. With this same commitment, he founded the Vacuum Oil Company in 1866, a business built on new petroleum-based lubricants and his patented vacuum distillation process. Soon after, 600W cylinder oil and other vacuum oil lubricants were being used to make goods and move them around the world, helping to push the Industrial Revolution forward. The company's dedication to lubrication services began in the 1890s, when vacuum started offering on-site application expertise, as well as instructional booklets that preached the 3 R's of correct lubrication.
The right oil in the right place at the right time.
Hiram Everest's company became part of what is now our company, ExxonMobil. And his adherence to the highest standards of quality lives on in what we do every day. Employees and distributors, equipment builders and customers, working together to keep the world moving. Our lubricants have not only kept pace with machine innovation, they've enabled it. In 1877, inventor George Selden nearly gave up on the first gas-powered automobile before we provided an oil that would not burn up or break down. We supplied lubrication for the first electric generating station, which lit up the world. In 1901, we developed our groundbreaking DTE oil to handle the special demands of a new engine from Rudolph Diesel. With help from our marine lubricants, the Mauritania set the transatlantic speed record. After 7 predecessors had failed, Charles Lindbergh counted on us to keep his one engine running 1,000 miles from land. In the 1940s, we created Mobil Oil 95, so a 500-ton telescope on Mount Palomar could rotate friction-free and give us the stars. And that's where we headed, by keeping key components moving on space shuttle missions. We reached these milestones and many others, not by going along for the ride, but by making breakthrough discoveries that redefined the power of lubrication. After discovering polyalpha olefins in 1949, we led the way in developing synthetic lubricants that make high-performance engines and machinery reliable. Today, the world faces new challenges, and together, we'll drive innovation to keep the world moving. Hiram Everest's belief that quality wins has, without question, stood the test of time. After 150 years, it remains a defining characteristic of our products, our people, and our success in the future.
Thank you. So that was a corporate video. In summarize, what is the 2 points which we can talk about this video is one, it is ExxonMobil is a 150 plus years old organization based out in Texas in US, and it has global operations across the globe. And it is a oil and gas company, basically an energy company, and it's one of the largest publicly traded company, which is in the, it is in the New York Stock Exchange. And other word which you might have heard the word quality being used in this video as well. So one of the theme which we have as a company is to whatever we make or it's fully depend on quality, in the sense what we make will stand for quality. And you know, that is the reason why when Dinesh ji was talking about this multi-city events, which is themed on quality, we don't want to miss. And we signed up so that it matches that quality is something which is very important in every aspect of what you are doing, and all discussions which today happened is around quality. So from the lubricant perspective, what is quality and how it is going to help you? This is some certain things which we are going to look today. Okay. Going forward. Okay. So we have we have 3 main operations: upstream, product solutions, and low carbon solutions. Upstream is all about crude oil business, where crude oil extraction is taken care by that particular part of the company, and we have this product solutions, which are other products which are made out of crude oil, which comes as fuels, lubricants, chemicals. All these are product solutions, and we have low carbon solution also, which looks into sustainable operations, sustainability, those part of it. We have all this. Oh, sorry. We have RDC's 11 warehouses in India, which is marked in star. All these places we have locations where we keep our products, which are lubricants, which we are talking about. And our plant is in Mumbai. You can see one, there is a picture here, which is a top view of our plant, which is in Mumbai. And this was invested last 2 years back, and now it's started working. When you talk about Atmanirbhar, so that's why our CEO, Mr. Darren Wood, came last year and met our Honorable Prime Minister, and there was discussions on this new plant, investment on new plant, and opportunity for the people in India, and as well as the meeting of energy requirements in terms of LNG supply to India. So there are a lot of discussions which happened at that level, at ministry level. And that's our office, which is there in Whitefield in Bangalore. Oh, sorry, last thing. See, this is a paper cutout of 1947, August 15th, on the Independence Day, where Mobil Oil is actually congratulating India for getting independence. So, meaning to say, Mobil was in India even before independence, and in 1970s, when all the multinational companies had to go back because of the policy, they had to leave India, and then again came back in 1990s. So that time, whatever the assets we had in India, which was then converted into Hindustan Petroleum, what we know today. So that is how it is there. Some numbers. This we have globally around 600 plus distributors, and we operate in 161 countries globally. Looking at supply chain, we have 21 lube blending plants across the globe, and we have 6 base oil refineries and 144 warehouses across the world. Important thing is 35,000 plus endorsements, which means that we work with OEMs who are making machineries, and those machinery require lubricants. So we work with OEMs directly to understand what kind of requirements their new technology requires, and accordingly a lubricant is made, and that way we get preferred endorsement. So that is how we have 35,000 plus endorsement from different OEMs, and we do oil lubricant analysis. Almost 1 million samples are analyzed per year across the globe. Then we have lubricant scientists and engineers sitting in different tech centers in different countries who are actually looking into developing new different products, which is latest technology, which can cut down on the drain interval or the life which gives for the machine and all this. Looking at sustainability, there are many things which company is doing on the sustainable operations as well. Like if you see from 2011 to 2020, reduce the intensity of greenhouse gas emissions by 9%. So there are measures which was done to do all this. And if you see windmill, we have 25% share in windmill lubricants across the globe. And because we focus a lot in this segment, because it's a renewable energy, where the requirements are very, very tough. We have currently launched a new lubricant for the wind gearbox, which is fill for life, which means once you fill it for at least 25 years, you don't need to change it. So that is the kind of life it is giving. And it very much helps in wind industry, because it's not easy to go to the top and do the maintenance and then come back. Very difficult. So changing the oil is even difficult. So that is how the technology is evolving. And we have also, each year we divert more than 50,000 tons of lubricant operation into from waste from landfills into different new and productive uses. So this is zero landfill certification also we have received. Going to next page. So as I said, we work with OEMs very closely, and this started from 1914, if you see this equipment builder team. And this photograph here shows that the first set of equipment builder team who was formed at that time. So this continues. Even from today, we have equipment builder team. Equipment builder is nothing but OEM who are actually building different machines. For example, if CNC machine is one, or VMC machine is one. That's all machines made by different OEMs like Mazak, Makino. We have Ace Micromatic, LMW. All these machines are here. These are all OEMs. So likewise, in any industry, steel industry, mining, any industry you take, there are machines, and the manufacturers are called OEMs. Okay. So these kind of we give this kind of plates for the machines, which you can see these kind of plates which will be attached to those machines, so that anybody using that machine can easily understand which product is actually working in, should be used in that product, in that machine. Now another short video.
India is racing towards becoming the world's third largest economy, with manufacturing set to contribute 25% of GDP by 2030. But this ambition demands precision, efficiency, and reliability, giving Mobil the opportunity to empower Indian manufacturers with world-class lubrication solutions for seamless operations. Like with the Mobil Vactra slideway oils that ensure accurate, repeatable movement of advanced machine tools by reducing stick slip and wear, even under heavy loads. In a first-of-its-kind CMTI standardized study, Mobil Vactra Oil Number 2 improved positional accuracy up to 24.9% and cut vibrations up to 90.8%, ensuring excellent surface finish on the components and increasing machine tool life. Mobil Velocite series of spindle oils improves precision, reduces deposits in your high-speed spindles, and improves equipment longevity. Mobil Cut series of water-soluble cutting oils not only extends tool life, but also results in components that are immaculate, with precise finish protected in the long run, and ensures operator safety with a stable sump life for a long period. Mobil Met series of neat cutting oils delivers precise machining performance due to its excellent lubricity. The anti-mist technology improves workplace safety and provides clear views of the tool and workpiece. Here is a quick summary of Mobil premium lubricants and how they enhance machine performance. Mobil Vactra Oil numbered series that ensure accurate, repeatable movements of machine tools. Mobil Velocite Oil numbered series of spindle oils for improved precision and machine longevity. Mobil Cut series of water-soluble cutting oils for extended tool life and precise component finish. Mobil lubrication solutions go beyond just providing top-notch lubricants. We also provide additional machine care benefits in the form of predictive maintenance, real-time insights, and end-to-end support via Mobil's comprehensive services. Machine XT delivers doorstep lubrication services. SoulCare app enhances coolant performance, and Mobil Connect makes ordering and tracking effortless. From large OEMs to SMEs, Mobil powers India's manufacturing revolution, delivering precision, performance, and reliability. Trusted worldwide, made for India, to help India make for the world. Mobil Lubricants, powering progress, empowering India.
Okay, so this was a effort not to play a video instead of talking about all the products we have. This is just a video which basically talks about some of the relevant products which goes into the industry. I just want to talk about one product in specific that's called Vactra number 2. It's a slideway lubricant. If you have seen, there is a test which we conducted with CMTI, who is also partnering this event. So this test was basically to understand how good this product is compared to many other products, or even a normal hydraulic oil. Both look similar, but what is the difference? So that showed that we got 90% difference in the vibration levels when we use a product in slideway, Vactra. So you just imagine when we have this, we are talking about quality and how good at quality can be achieved in a machine. If we can reduce vibration level to this extent, definitely that will result in a very good finish in your machine and the component. So that way, this test which we conducted with CMTI gave us a very good confidence that how well this can perform. Okay, now, so that was on products. Coming into services, so it's not complete without services. So what are the different services as a company we do? We have different kind of services, out of which some of them are mentioned here. Like our technical team will come and study your plant. They will also do an energy efficiency study. They do thermography inspection. They do root cause analysis, hydraulic inspection. A few of them are mentioned here. There are a list of services which our team actually come and do in your plant in order to understand what best we can do next. Apart from this, we are also in association with Poseidon, which is a IoT, IoT basically, the real-time insights company. They are specialized in that. We are associated with them, and we are putting specific sensors which can actually detect a lot of measurements required in lubricants, which we can understand sitting in remote areas and take necessary actions even before any preventive actions are required. Then we have two other services. One is this Machine XT, which is a service on wheels, where our distributors have this vehicle with them. It can come over to your place, do certain services like hydraulic oil filtration, coolant filtration, tramp oil removal. So you don't need to worry about where should I or how should I do this. This vehicle can come there and do the service. It's services on wheel. And we have this SoulCare app, which is a digital way of interpreting about cutting oils. When cutting oils is a little bit tricky product. It requires a lot of maintenance, and there are parameters like concentration, pH, which are very much need to be checked on a daily basis and need to be monitored whether it is working correctly or not. So we have this digital way of monitoring it, and then that gives a lot of insights which will give people to take correct decisions as with respect to whether the cutting oil need change or what next we should do with that oil, right? So in short, this is the end of my presentation as well. Product, services, and application expertise, all three things we focus differently and separately, and that's how we become looking for advanced productivity and bringing quality in everything we do. Okay, time for quiz. First question. How many base oil refineries does Mobil have globally? If who okay. So your name, please? Mr. Nikhil here. Purposefully, I didn't call it out it very, open, and it was mentioned little small font as well. So good catch. Next question. So what are the services offered by Machine XT? Oil filtration, coolant, some cleaning, tramp oil removal of the above. Who told first? So. Next question, I expect answer somewhere from there. Mobil Vectra number 2, which reduced vibration levels by 90%. Okay. Okay, so, I think we have one from the... Thank you very much for your time. So that's right from our side.
Thank you, Sandeep, for the nice presentation. Can we have you on stage? Sandeep, can we have you on stage? I would like to invite Nitika Sharma and Arun Raja to honor Mr. Sandeep. watch and we are on time. We will.
productivity and process capability have become increasingly critical. And Marposs